Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Mahalagang mga balita, napapanahong impormasyon. Kami ang inyong gabay pag may bagyo at sakuna. Serbisyo ng gobyerno kapag may nangangailangan. Mga proyekto ng Pangulo, damang-dama ang pagmamahal niya. Tulay ng mga hinaing, ang problema ng bayan ating lulutasin. Tulay sa himpapawid, tulay ng pagbabago. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Ng bagong Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Ng bagong Pilipino. Mga proyekto ng Pangulo, damang-dama ang pagmamahal niya. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Ang boses ng Pangulo. Karamay nyo kami, kahit malayo man kami nakakarating. OFW magsasaka, buhay ay iba't iba, san mang lugar ng bansa natin. Tulay ng mga hinaing, ang problema ng bayan ating lulutasin. Tulay sa himpapawid, tulay ng pagbabago. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Ng bagong Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Ng bagong Pilipino. Mga proyekto ng Pangulo, damang-dama ang pagmamahal niya. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Ang boses ng Pangulo. Radyo Publiko. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Radyo Pilipinas.
Yes, mga igala, mayong adlaw ka natong tanan o welcome din sa itong panaguban sa atong tulumanong tambayan sa Radyo Pilipinas. Kauban ninyo Armando Fenequito, mga igala. No? Anyways, mga igala, kamusta? No? Kagahapon sa sa rally sa Iglesia ni Cristo ba, no? Nakita gid nato, no? Kung unsa sila maka-show of force, no? Maka-show of force, mga igala, no? Karong panahon, no? Kagato silang gibuhat nga rally tong kagahapon, no? Lunes. Anyways, wala kay ko nakaabot, mga igala, kung confirm natoy nakamatoy mga comments ako nabasahan nga karon daw siya nakakita og rally nga naminaw ra gyud daw sa screen gyud daw, no? More peaceful ang rally kagahapon, mga igala, no? wala kumbaga walay any untoward incidents mga katambayan, no. So mo to nga kuan siya, medyo kuan, di siya medyo actually nalay mga nakuyapan, no, pero ambot naka verified ba gitong ingon nga na kuan na basta kato. Di na nako to kuno. Anyways, mga katambayan, ingon sila kay wala daw ko nag-iimbita nga politiko, pero na may politiko nga naa dito kagahapon, no. Ambot nang ginakuyog-kuyog ni siya ni kuan, ginakuyog-kuyog ni siya ni Colonel Marantan, no. Basig ni adto na siya dito kay para kuan lang mo pakita lang o kaning suporta siguro, pero abi ba na ako nan political to nga kung ano naalag naman lagi politiko lagi kandidato lagi. Well, muta na lang ta kay kuan man, no, muta na lang ta kay nganong ingon ana man na ang kuan karon nga wala man kay politik, di man kay ito para sa politika na kay to silahang kuan pakita nato dire sa tong mga kuan be, no, pakita na tong picture mga igala sa mata dapat dere pakita nato dira sa tong ingon sa iglesia ni Cristo gahapon sa to kita nato dira sa to. To isa tong hindi sa to hindi politika. Pagkakasundo hindi pagkakagulo. Mo pati nato po dito si Sir di ay no. Nato isa wala man to katong gipicture man ako to gahapon mga ka-agree sa ngayong bagong taon kapakanan ng tao ang isulong o diri mga higala, no. Atong ikan amon to basig wala na ko to nakuha, no. Nako to nakuha siya. Na videohan lang ba na ako to sa to Davita. Dagan kay sila gahapon no, ambot. Nadari pagkakaisa nara. Hindi pamumulitika. Pagkakaisa hindi pamumulitika mo na ang giingon kagahapon, no. Pagkakaisa hindi pamumulitika, no. Muna ang gingon kagawon sa iglesia ni Cristo, no. So hopefully, no, they are calling, no, they're calling mga igala for peace mga igala and unity. Pero hopefully, no, magbunga siya, no. Anyways, mga katambayan, dinito sa sa tong COMELEC protocol mga igal, no, kaning pag-transfer, no, o kaning pag-transfer sa mga employees may igal kay so atong starting January 12 bawal na ang pag-transfer. Pero ipangutana na ako ni kay sa COMELEC mga igala, no, kaning kaning pag-hire pwede pa ba ni? Siyempre, kinahanglan pa naman mag-hire po ng mga COS o mga job orders po, no? Para makatabang po sa mo ang operations po, no? Si Attorney Gay Innumerables Mahigala, pwede pa daw nga pwede pa daw mag-hire, no? Pwede daw mag-hire mga igala, no? As long as wala pa sa campaign period. Kaya ang ginaiwasan lang manggo daw ani, ang ginaiwasan lang ani, nga di siya magamit, no, para maboost ang iyang candidacy mo na nga dili sa pwede during the campaign period na. So anyways mga igala, alang sa ubang impormasyon nga angay nato masabtan og may bawon ato paminawon mga igala na ang Assistant Regional Election Director mga igala sa tong Commission on Elections diri sa Davao Regional Line mga igala, Attorney Gay Innumerables. Paminawon nato
mga government offices. Right now, ma'am, even hiring, bawal na siya?
Dili pa. Ang hiring is March 28 pa.
March 28.
Ang transfer lang or detail.
So pwede pa ma'am maka-hire pa, for example, ka ng mga contract of service ng mga employees. So, dili pa siya bawal? Dili pa. So, until
March 28.
March 28. So even job orders man pwede po sila mag-
Actually, ang job orders may ang usual magud-an na if it's yung routinary, wala na kailangan na authority. Pero kung yung additional ba na tao na i-hire, may rules tayo diyan.
Ay, ma'am,
Pero matagal pa yon, March 28 pa.
pero, ma'am, may you enlighten us, ma'am, regarding sa rules on hiring, ma'am?
Yeah, kasi may resolution kasi tayo, specific resolution for that. Oo.
So, usang nga resolution to, ma'am?
That I cannot remember the specific resolution, pero may resolution tayo dyan about sa hiring, ban starting campaign period.
Basta sa campaign period lang. So,
Mag-start talaga ang ban sa hiring during campaign period kasi yun nga, ayun ang inaano natin na dapat hindi magamit yung hiring for campaigning.
okay. So, for example, ma'am, si incumbent, tapos po siya, candidate po siya sa usa ka sa this election. Pwede pa siya maka-fill in ng mga positions.
Wala mang problema if it's necessary. If it's talaga yung may reason talaga na i-hire, like bakante talaga siya or ganon. Ang lang naman dyan is mag-hire ba to boost his candidacy, his or her candidacy. Yun ang pinoprohibit ng COMELEC. Pero yung usual talaga na business na kailangan talaga mag-hire because needed, necessary, oo, pwede yun. But then again, when you hire during the period of prohibition, mag-ask lang ng authority from COMELEC. Hindi naman yung authority from COMELEC, dyan lang naman sa regional office eh. If within the region, yung hiring.
So di na kailangan
Hindi na magkailangan sa taas. Oo, dyan lang sa amin and we act on it immediately.
Okay, thank you.
So, mo to mga katambayan, no? Ang pahayag ni Attorney Gay Innumerables Mahigala, ang Assistant Regional Election Director sa COMELEC Region 11 Mahigala, na og ni Idol Dennis Lasso pa. Klaro ana. Klaruha gyud, no? So dili pwede pa, no? Samtang wala pa campaign period, pwede pa mag-hire ang mga agencies, no? Ato ang mga local government units o mga job orders, pwede pa sila pwede pa sila mag-hire o contracts of service, no? As long as kailangan, no? So wala pa po campaign period. So mo na ang ginakuan karon sa COMELEC, ang giingon sa tuang Commission on Elections, mga katambayan, no? So ang uban pud ana karon mga higala, no, labi na tong mga agencies na dili gusto ma-single out, dili lang sila mag-hire karon, no? Ang ginabuhat na lang ana sa mga agencies karon, no, katong mga existing na mga tao madugangan ang trabaho. Dogay kayo maliyo ang labi na kanang mga office na centralized kayo, dugay kayo na, no? Muna ang uban mga higala nga ang uban mo dangop na lang sa LGU mga higala kung maayo sila og kanang GO, no? Kung baga muingon lang sila nga, sir, budget tagaan na namin nimong GO dira sa local government, mas paspas pa man kumpara sa mga national government agencies na moagi pa sa taas, no? Na kailangan na kayo ang mga tao, kailangan og manpower, no? Mo na usay mga higala, no, kanang makalaay po. No, labi kanang election period mga higala kay taas kayo kanang tawagan ni kanang abot, no? Nga naman ang COMELEC nga pwede pa, no? Abot na po kayo mingon na, ay baka hindi tayo payagan, ay bao na naron, no? Bao na naron, no? So ang pag abot sa productivity, no, niya pag di ma-hit ang target, bakit ganito? Tapos kulang ang tao, di ba? Dapat dapat kaning bato na to na is ato pong i-streamline or ato pong i-expedite po nato ng pag-process kay para dito mabtanog election ban. Awa ka kadugayan dugay kay ma-process katong niaging kuntay itong December pag-ipasa kay para ma-expedite ang processing. Tapos pag abot sa pa. Siguro mga weeks, di pa i-process, weeks na lang sa weeks pa. weeks before sa election ba na wala na. No, GG na yun. No? Anyways, mga katambayan, balik kita man lang sa mga importante pahinumdum ng ato si Bianan. Yes, mga katambayan, balik kita nila sa itong panaguban sa itong tulumanong tambayan sa Radyo Pilipinas. Dinisin niyo si Biana, Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko, DXRP Davao, mga igala. No? Anyways, mga katambayan, no? Karong January 19, next week na din mga katambayan, no? Ipahigayon, no? Ang pinakaunang kanina tawag na ito nga women's run, mga igala, no? Actually, pila na sila kakuha, no? Actually, 1,700 ang gina-expect nga mo appeal diri, no? And actually, dili lang ni siya kay para sa kwan lang. Dili kay ang mga participants dili lang sa Davao region, no? Appeal pud sab sa kwan, mga igala, sa Davao uban lugar, no? And even international, no? Nga gusto lang mo kwan yun. Gusto mo participate, no? Actually, nasa laikon din inay announcement din ni mga igala din sa kwan, no? Especially sa inyong pagkuha sa inyong race kits, mga igala. Ang race kits, pwede na ninyo pwede na ninyo i-claim, muna ni last week pa na ni, i-claim, mga igala, no, katong January 12, 16 to 18, pwede na ninyo i-claim inyong race kits na 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. sa SM Lanang second floor, mga igala, in front of kaning Oshkosh, no? Kanang mga railings daw dira sa cinema, mga igala. So dihan inyo kuhaon, no? So ayon ninyo sa friendly reminder daw, ayon ninyo kalimti ang pagdala sa inyong race kits. Don't forget to bring the following to claim your race copy of confirmation email or confirmation number, tapos ID, mga higala mo ninyong kwaon, no? So anyways, mga higala, unsa beginning women's run PH, mga higala. Actually first di sa Davao, mga higala, no, nga mahitabo. So anyways, mga higala, aron nga mas masayro na to, mga higala, no, unsa ning first women's run PH, mga higala, kadali lang. Ato paminawan, mga igala, no, si Ma'am, ang aton celebrity athlete, mga igala, na si Ma'am Nicole de la Cruz, no, paminawan na to.
PH started 2023, so I created the event to celebrate and empower women through running. Just knowing the percentage of runners that we have from our previous runs before, it's 30% women and 70% men. So just knowing that, I thought to myself, na I want to increase the women participation through this sport. That way, we get to give an opportunity for every woman to be motivated, inspired, and empowered. Kaya those three talaga, in anything that we do, we uphold the motivate, inspire, and empower. So part of which we created this series of events for women. So mostly, ito mga kababaihan is just knowing that bakit kaya 70% yung men, 30% yung women. It's because a lot of women are asking, is it okay if I can join? Some are just, it's me, I'm a beginner, I'm just starting, I'm not so sure if I can do it. Others naman, they feel not confident enough. Others are intimidated by the distances, and also they feel like it's a competition to them. So that's why we started off with just 5 kilometers noong 2023, and then eventually, yearly, we increased the distance. So last year, we increased to 10, but since it's our first year in Davao, we included 5 and 10 so that we can cater to advanced runners also.
And like other running events, no, meron ba siyang cut-off time then, or it's like mag-finish ka lang?
Yes, we do have cut-off times. We impose the cut-off times because of the road closures. So we just, kasi if we hayaan na po natin sila to finish at their own pace, the tendency is baka maabutan din po, iba, for the opening of the, the roads. So it's better to be safe. We do impose like 5 kilometers is 1 hour, 5 kilometers 1 hour, 10 kilometers 2 hours. But usually all of the runners naman who fits within, they get to have the medal when they cross the finish line.
Follow-up question na lang.
Sure.
Will you be giving away yung mga prizes or special prizes?
Yes, so this is something that we also want to keep on in motivating women. So not only the top 3 winners in each category, we give prize. We give cash prizes to the top 5 and top 5 kilometer runners, which is the first, second, and third. For the 10 kilometers, first, second, and third. For the kids also. But for the 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers, we're giving out prizes, bouquet, and also loot bags from our sponsors. But we are also acknowledging those runners under the age group categories. So for 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers, for the age group of 18 years old and below, or parang 18 years old and may age range kami. That way, ma-feel nila na, oh, mabilis ako sa age group ko. So you get to be acknowledged on stage. We give a medal, and also we give loot bags from our sponsors.
But for the adults, wala namang age limit, ano? It's 18 and above. Ay, is it 18?
Wow, we have an age group category for them. Pero meron kami mga runners 60 years old and above.
So it's open for all.
Yes, so kung sino pinakamabilis sa kanila sa age group na yan, we give them and we acknowledge them on stage. And our social media also.
Para ma-encourage yung older.
Yes, so parang yung iba kasi na-feel nila na, oh no, ay, hindi naman ako mananalo. Bakit? Yung iba kasi yun yung mentality nila to join. But here you have a chance, especially if you're really vying for your age group to win in that category. Kaya po. Okay. So, this Women's Run PH, we offer a lot for the newbies. We created this event for them because we want to increase women participation. So, we open our event to the beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So, we offer a great range of race categories for them. We have 1 kilometer for kids. For those who are just starting, we can have 5 kilometers for adults, and we also have 10 kilometers. But what's nice is that they get to look forward to the things that I designed for the event, because this event is designed for women. What I think would women want to feel when they cross the finish line, because we are giving out flowers right after you cross the finish line. And not only that, there will be men who are wearing barong at the end who will give out the flowers to women. So the top 100 women who will cross the finish line will get that, apart from the beautiful medal that we designed for this event. At one, what's nice about our event is that we provide motivation, inspiration, and empowerment to the women. So just being able to join the event, kasi we have already a great impact in the lives of women, especially for those who joined. So we also have advocacy partners that we helped out, just like the ones that we had. No, these are just the previous events that we had, like the women who were experiencing violence. And when they joined the event, it was their first great experience of joining a fun run. They said that they never thought that they would experience such empowerment in them, that they can actually join in this kind of event, giving them the self-confidence that they were able to learn and gain from the event. Kasi they went through a lot, but despite of all the challenges that they were going through, they were able to finish a race. Some naman, there were women who were experiencing and battling cancer. Others naman who were disabled naman. So, naka-wheelchair sila. And then they said na, I never thought also, despite my disability, I can finish a race and get a medal. So those kind of experiences, it creates a great impact, not only during that event, but also to their mindset in everyday lives. So yun yung gusto natin impart to the women, that this event can create not only the confidence that they have, but you also take out the doubts in what they can do for themselves. It's not all about the run lang, no? During the event, we are also going to have Zumba, so the family can be there. The run itself is for women, but the whole activity is for their family, their friends to be there, because we want to celebrate with them. So the jowa, the husband, the boyfriend can be there. They can be there to give support, cheer for them. It's nice that when you cross the finish line, they're also there, showing support to them, and especially to the moms. Kasi ako, being a mom, we experience a lot. Every day we take care of their family, the household, and everybody else. But this is our time for ourselves. So para siyang naging me time. And we also have booth wherein they can enjoy. So we have freebies that we'll be giving out also during the event day.
Ayun, so marami pala silang maiuwi after the run.
Tama. Aside from the medal, meron tayong loot bag, pero madami po itong laman.
Do we already have the route of the
Yes, we do have the route. Hindi ko na po siya masyadong memorize because we have our local partner who is also helping us with the route. But this was also coordinated with our sa Ron Leo po sa Manila din na nag-aayos ng route. Together with our local organizers.
But it will start and end here at SM Lana.
That's right. So that's the most important thing. We start and end here at Lana. Kasi a lot of women who are actually having a lot of struggles, meron silang mental toughness and challenges also that we undergo. Lalo na, we wear so many hats. So we need an outlet for that. So when we run, it's a safe space for us, especially in this, the Women's Run PH, because it's all women eh. And then we get to push each other, we support each other, and the cheering is there. But more than that, when you run, it's just you and your thoughts. Diba? It's the perfect place. Like for me, with having 3 kids, mahirap. And then every day, mama, or sa work, this is what we need to do, ganito, ganyan. So many things to do. But when I have time for myself to run, it's the perfect way for me to just let go of those thoughts. It's just me and my thoughts, what I want for myself. It's my me time. So yun talaga, mental health, and not only that, but also for health and wellness. Nakakatulong po. The 1 kilometer, the mom can join as long as she registers at the 5 kilometer. Why at 5 kilometer? Because that's the singlet size that we can give to them. But it's nice that they get to run with the kids. Pwede din yun. Or they can run the 5 kilometers and then they can join the 1 kilometer after. So pwede din. Yes, last. So we make sure that everybody's there to cheer also the kids. Okay, for the God Start, we are going to announce it next week, but usually it's going to be 5 o'clock for 10 kilometers, 5:15 for 5 kilometers, and then 7 a.m. for the kids. So medyo malayo just because we want to finish everything and then kids agad.
Okay, so Nicole, and after Davao, where are you going to take Women's Run PH next?
Yes, we're going to celebrate International Women's Month, and it's going to be in Metro Manila. So we're targeting 8,000 women.
Yeah, invite also mga taga Davao, no?
Yes, I would like to invite all the women of Davao to join us. International Women's Month, which will be happening SM also, because of course they are the strong partner for supporting and empowering women. This will be at SM Mall of Asia, March 9, 2025.
But for Davao again, would you like to invite again?
Yes, for Davao, please. It's going to be next week. I hope to see you all there. It's going to be January 19. And next week, nandito po ulit ako.
Okay.
Maraming salamat po. Okay, thank you so much. Ang dami. So, isa-isahin natin. I love it. So, of course, we really want to mount other events, no, outside also Davao and the things that we already mounted. It's just really proper planning. Most probably next year, that's something that we can do. But definitely, we're going to have another Davao Run next year. It's going to be an annual event. That's something that I want to keep on doing. And we have a great number of amazing women who are actually supporting the event. So that's something that we want. Because we just planted the seed now. So we want to make it grow. And we want more women to enjoy the healthy lifestyle. This is open for beginners. So whoever wants, they feel na parang hindi sila ma-intimidate. Mas masaya po tumakbo. Experience running alongside thousands of women. That's so empowering. It happened in Metro Manila. As for increasing the number of registration to 2,000, that's something that we can do in the future. But now we just capped it at 1,700 because of the limitations of the production of materials. And the last day of registration is still ongoing. Once we reach the target number of runners, we will stop already the registration.
Follow-up question na lang po, Ms. Nicole. How many Dabuenya po have registered to this women runs page po?
So we are now at 1,600. Konti na lang tayo for 1,000.
All from Davao?
All from Davao. That's something that we have to check. I didn't check how many from Davao, but we do have a lot of runners coming from other places aside from Davao. So meron din tayong international runners, foreign runners, and local runners, and also outside Davao. For Mindanao, it's
Yes,
Davao. So we're just focusing on those three first. But eventually, we're trying also to expand. It's just hard because it's a new company that I have, and we are only two person doing this. It's me and Raynel. So that's something that we can also, kasi a lot of women are asking us, oh, have it here in Tagaytay, have it here in
Right.
Cebu, have it in Mindanao. I wish I can really go to a lot of places and mount it there. But I'm happy with what we're doing now because we are actually presenting Philippines to Metro Manila, Visayas, and Mindanao. So we have runners coming from different places to experience Davao. Not only that, we also promoted Davao internationally. So we have runners from France coming here.
great.
They reached out to me and to our event page that, hey, we're going to Davao and we want to run the Davao Women's Run page. I'm happy to say that we are contributing to the tourism and to the economy of sports tourism. No? Lalo na we can have foot traffic here and they can experience the local businesses and what we can offer here in Davao.
Yeah, I was about to say, parang destination running, di ba?
Tama.
Kasi you don't need a lot of equipment, just a good pair of shoes, di ba?
That's right. So they also want to experience how we mount the event.
Right.
That's why there are other people from different places who wants to experience. Kasi I experienced na in Manila, I want to experience
Right,
in Iloilo, I want to experience how it's done in Davao. Last time we were able to showcase the binagyang doon. Here naman, it's something that we can
Yes, sa
showcase.
August,
something that-
probably, no?
Yes,
Kaya
oo. So,
So, pwede
those
kayo
are-
mag-collaborate. Sell the
oo.
package for running.
It's really nice kasi we are not only focusing on creating a healthy lifestyle, but we're also contributing to the tourism.
Higala no, si Ma'am Nicole de la Cruz, mga higala, no, ang celebrity athlete, mga higala, no. Siya po ang convener sa Women's Run PH, mga higala, no. So, anyways, dagan-dagan, actually dagan na dagan-dagan na og mga dagan-dagan og mga babae, no, dagan-dagan mga higala, no, kanang hilig og marathon kato kung kaila gani mga higala, idol ng Cospika Station, mga higala, no, nga itago na lang to sa pangalang Baliling, mga higala. Grabe dagan siya og kuno, dagan siya ginaapilan ng mga kaning mga fun run, mga kuno. Actually mga higala, hindi to mapil og fun run good, mga higala, no, kay kan pa kana part na siya sa inyong part si muhang siguro, no, si muhang imuhang workout, no, and of course part po si muhang diet, no, para ma-burn imuhang mga calories, no. Okay, sa pag-appeal mo guni mo og kanang kuan gud mga katambayan, no, kanang mga fun run, no, appeal po ng mga preparation niya. Sa preparation mo gud mga higala, mo burn man pud ka og mga calories, no. So maghinay kakapayat gyud na gud, no. So kung di na part na siya simuhang workout, no, niya. Ang kala ni mo dira is kanang kuan lang, pero kano daw na scam daw ng kuan lang daw, running shoes nang daw imong gastuhon kay pag abot sa kuan magkuha na kay katong monitor nimo, no, usa ta parang pedometer kanang para mo mag-monitor sa imong dagan, no, tapos pag man magpait po ka ng running shorts, no, tapos kanang mga jersey niya, dili pa ka masatisfy kanang una kanang baratuhon pa lang baratuhon pa lang na baratuhon pa lang na kanang kanang dry fit. Tapos di na ka masatisfy. Magpalit ta ka tong mga mahalon, no? Kay mas gwapo tong mga mahalon kay lami imong dagan, no? Hantod sa wala na addict na kana, no. So anyway, so tanang mga na magini mga pros and cons po, no, pero mas nindot siya na kon mga higala kay at least healthy living, no, healthy living ning dagan-dagan na higala. So tawatangan, no, 1,700 ka mga partisipante ang musalmot, no, sa maong Women's Run page. Anyways, mga katambayan mo na taigong oras ang ngalan sa Tibok Pwersa sa DXRP Radyo Pilipinas. Una itama day. Una sa day na to na ikon na to extra. Dali lang. Ang ruta day ninyo di ay no. Actually mga higala kay wala man na discuss gud ni Ma'am Nicole kay di niya kabisado ang race route og schedule mga higala no. Una day nga gun start mga higala is 5 AM mga higala, ang cut off 2 hours mga higala no. Magsugod na sa SM Lanang mga higala sa likod no. Sa North Wing kung nagkamali niya magkuan ka mga mo dagan sila mga higala agi sa may daang Maharlika Highway no. Agi mo dala sa may kuan, agi mo og Southern Philippines Medical Center hangtod sa kuan mga higala no. Muliko mo dala sa may Acacia no, sa may kuan STI College mga higala no. Balik na mo sa SM Lanang mga higala. Then alang sa 5K run mga higala, ang ruta ang gun start 5:15 AM mga higala, cut off 1 hour mga higala. So gikan SM Lanang North Wing mga higala no, diha mo sa may roadway in no, at I think at bang sa Davao Light dala sa bahada mga higala no, mo kuan mo U-turn mga higala no, tapos balik na mo sa SM Lanang no. And para sa mga kids no, na 1 kilometer run no, ang gun start ninyo may sa mga bata no, sa mga chikiting no, 7 AM mga higala, cut off time 30 minutes mga higala no. So ang kuan ninyo, ang ilahang kuan gikan sa North Wing, tapos muliko mo diha sa may gate 1 sa SM Lanang no. So mo na siya no, balik na mo dito sa North Wing. So mo na mga katambayan no ang ruta sa ilahang race no. Anyways mga higala no, extra na jud ko no. So anyways mga higala, mo ka na naglangkob sa to ang panaguban karong adlaw no. Anyways mga higala, sa ngalan sa Tibok Pwersa sa DXLP Radyo Pilipinas Davao ug para sa bagong Pilipinas, ako si Armando Feniquito, alang sa tambayan sa Radyo Pilipinas, dinhi sa inyo si Bian ng Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Anyways, may gala hatod sunod na usab. Salamat ug mayong gabi. Gabi na ba? Mayong adlaw. Musunod na ang balita ang pambansa.